Hello, it's time now to put the rack in. Now the rack is in, as you can see. It's moving nice and freely, a heap of grease on it, and the adjustment on the rack is the same as the sector shaft. This plate here has got shims like that, and if this moves too much sideways, it's got to have a little bit of movement, just a touch. If the movement's too much, you take shims out of here. If it's too much movement, then you put shims in. And again, I can't get them, so I made them out of Coke can skins. But that is just ever moving so slightly, just a little bit of free play. There is a spring, two spring washers in here, two washers, concave washers, that when they push against each other act like a spring. So it is under tension, but it also can move. Thank you for watching.